This Sylvania made by Funai. This is probably one of the lightest 32-inch sets ever. Here we go. It's gonna work, probably. Yup. How good does it look though? Don't have anything hooked up though, not yet. 3. The snow's kind of dim. Snow's kind of dim in person too. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It is on movie news. What the hell? Sport. Game looks pretty dim. Manual. Looks pretty good. Gonna have to play on the floor like I'm 5 or something. No, I have no controller hooked up. Oops. It looks nostalgic and fuzzy. Somewhere right there looks good. Got S-Video hooked up. Let's play a copyrighted video. Oh, focus. I don't have the audio hooked up. It's hooked up to the stereo. This looks great. And it's over coax. Looks pretty good. Wow. I got it off the floor. Putting it down here is half the battle. It is Sunday, May 9th, and my voice is back. Gonna watch that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm surprised.
Hello, my name is Jimmy Meese, driver of the Alka-Seltzer Pontiac. The makers of Alka-Seltzer and I are very excited to bring you these exclusive video highlights of 1990 NASCAR season.
Please report to your nearest dance floor, or your sexy woman's status will be revoked, and you'll have to buy your own drinks and pay your own rent.
What are these camera angles? Look at that.
Stay tuned to get a free automatic toilet bowl cleaner.
I love my toilet bowl cleaner.
Your stopper's broken, but fixing a drain is such a pain.
And with that, JJ.
This is the last thing I watched on that piece of crap Montgomery Ward TV. Got like 6 people on Facebook Marketplace interested in it. Looking a little bit rosy, if you ask me. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Oh, can't show that. Yep, that's the end of the video.